Hello everyone, my name is KAYCEE Nicole Bantas and my topic is about learning management system. So a learning management system or LMS is a software application or web-based technology used to plan, implement, and assess a special learning process. So typically, a learning management system provides an instructor with a way to create and deliver content, monitor trainee participation, and assess trainee performance. So this means a learning management system or LMS is a kind of computer program or website that schools, companies, or teachers use to help people learn new things. So it's like a digital classroom where students can get lessons to do assignments, take quizzes, and talk to their teacher or classmates online. So there are some benefits of a learning management system. So there are five. So the first one is keeps training organized. So manage and track staff training with an LMS training administration can be time consuming and difficult, particularly in medium to large organization with to work many staff working in different roles across a variety of physical locations. So this means imagine a big company with workers in different cities. So it's hard to keep track of everyone's training. So an LMS organizes all that, making sure each person gets the right lessons and trackings who has complete their training. Second one, facilitate e-learning with an online learning platform. Much has been written about the benefits of e-learning, and while LMS is not essential to implementing online learning, it can often make it easier to manage and deploy. Some LMS solution includes tools to help author e-learning counselor, and almost all decent system can easily import courses in various industry standard formats that have been created using separate authoring tools. So this means learning online is more popular than ever. So an LMS can make it easier by putting all lessons, videos, and quizzes in one place. And some even help teachers create their own online courses. Next, number three, consolidate all training information into one system. There are significant benefits to having all your training information in a single consolidated system at a glance. Anyone can review and report on the status of company-wide training programs, identify staff who have complete certain qualification, and much more. So this means uh, instead of having papers and files all over the places, an LMS keeps everything about learning in one system. So it's like having a giant, super organized digital binder. Next, number four, reduce training costs with an LMS while achieving the right training outcomes is critical for talent development and training programs. It goes without saying that cost is always top of mind too. The right LMS system can reduce your training costs in a variety of ways. So, meaning it saves money. Using an LMS can be cheaper than sending people to training in person. It can save money on travels, hotels, and even teachers because more people can learn at once online. Next is number five, improve compliance with regulatory requirements. Another major reason for investing in an LMS is to better comply with the various regulatory requirements that apply to your industry and organization. For instance, safety programs are common use for LMS solution as it enables you to easily demonstrate that all appropriate staff is up to date on the required certification and training. This means it helps follow the rules. So in many jobs like hospitals or factories, workers have to take safety or legal training. So an LMS make it easy to prove that everyone learned what they needed, which helps companies follow the law. So next one is advantages and disadvantages of technology-based training. Technology-based training involves the use of a personal or network computer for the delivery and access of training program. It can be synchronous and asynchronous as well as online web-based mobile and distance learning. It particularly useful when training learners on a specific computer application, but some also be built to train learners on general knowledge or skills. So this means technology-based training means using computers, the internet, or mobile devices to help people learn something. This can include online classes, video lessons, apps, or training software. It can happen anytime or asynchronous or live. And people can do it at home, at work, or on the go. So these are the following advantage of technology-based training. Number one is self-paced learning. So this means learners can move at their own speed. Next one, number two is flexibility of schedules. So this means the training can happen anytime and anywhere. Number three, cost effectiveness with no cost on travel and accommodation costs. So this means there's no need to spend money on travels, hotels, or printed materials. Number four, reduced training time. This means the lessons are often quicker than in-person ones. Number five, increased knowledge retention it affords to trainees. So this means people may remember lessons more easily. 6. Consistency of message, which cannot be assumed with live instructor. This means everyone gets the same information. Number 7 is measurability, which can be accomplished using self-check questions and pre-tests. So this means the progress can be tracked through quizzes and tests. So the last one is customization. So this means training can be adapted to fit each person's needs. So here are the other disadvantages of technology-based training. Number 1, some people do not like it as much as they like having an actual person teaching them. This means not everyone likes learning through screens or computer. Next one, number 2 is new employees in training would not get a warm introduction and as a result may perceive the company as faceless and uncaring. So new trainees may feel disconnected from the company if training is only digital. Number 3, the lack of human interaction. So this means it's harder to ask questions or talk with others. Number 4, may be less cost-effective than a traditional lecture program. So this means creating quality programs can be expensive, especially for small groups. 5. The lack of review and remediation. If you don't understand something, there may not be someone to explain it right away. Number 6. The absence of feedback. Some computers don't always tell you exactly what you did right or wrong. Number 7 is the inability for an employer to automatically determine what the worker has learned. Next one is product quality. Well, knowing the programming aspects, yet have no real expertise in learning theory. So this means tech experts may not know how to teach well. Number 9 is its effectiveness as compared to traditional classrooms. This means not everyone learns best through a screen. That's all.